The power of cloves, a natural cure for a variety of illnesses. Welcome to today's video, where we will be uncovering the secret health benefits of a spice that has been used for centuries, yet many of us have never truly explored its potential. Cloves, the dried flower buds of a tree, have been used for centuries as a spice and for medicinal purposes. But little did we know that this small spice holds a treasure trove of health benefits that many of us have yet to discover. Are you ready to dive into the world of cloves and find out how it can change your life? Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Remember, this video is provided only for informational purposes. It does not represent medical advice. Always get medical attention from a qualified professional. Cloves are the aromatic dried flower buds of a tree called Syzygium aromaticum, which is native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. They have been used for centuries as a spice and for medicinal purposes. Cloves have a strong, sweet, and slightly bitter flavor and are used to flavor a variety of dishes, including baked goods, curries, and marinades. But their benefits go beyond just their flavor. Cloves are a rich source of antioxidants, which are substances that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. One of the key compounds found in cloves is eugenol, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. This means that consuming cloves help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is thought to be a contributing factor in a number of health conditions. One of the most well-known benefits of cloves is their ability to help with toothache. The compounds found in cloves, including eugenol, have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for toothache. A case study published in the Journal of Dentistry found that clove oil applied to a toothache helped to reduce pain and improve the quality of life in a patient with a severe toothache. It is not surprising that cloves are present in a variety of dental products, including toothpaste, lotions, and gels. So, chewing cloves is very beneficial for anyone who has periodontal disease, stomatitis, or frequently inflamed gums. Additionally, it stops bleeding and removes any bad smell. But cloves are not just beneficial for oral health, they have been used traditionally to help with a variety of ailments, including indigestion, respiratory problems, and even cancer. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that taking a clove extract supplement significantly reduced joint pain and swelling in people with osteoarthritis. And a case study published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine found that consuming a clove extract supplement helped to improve digestion and reduce bloating in a patient with irritable bowel syndrome. Cloves are also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. These vitamins and minerals play an important role in maintaining overall health, and may help to reduce the risk of certain diseases. Here is a recipe for making cloves tea, which I highly recommend drinking once a week during the winter. For a change, I also like to drink another cold remedy that has lemon, orange, ginger, and turmeric. And I should add that I haven't been sick in a few years. You can take a screenshot or photo of the recipe I've left for you in the description area and save it to your phone. How to make cloves tea. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 to 3 whole cloves. Honey, optional. Instructions. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add the cloves to the water and let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the cloves from the water using a slotted spoon or a fine mesh strainer. Sweeten the tea with honey if desired. Serve the tea hot and enjoy. You can also add other ingredients to the tea, such as a cinnamon stick or a slice of fresh ginger, to enhance the flavor. Clove tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, and can be sipped throughout the day as desired. Do you suffer with car sickness? Do you wake up with an upset stomach in the morning? Chew 2 cloves. You will get great relief in approximately a quarter of an hour. Also, chewing cloves help relieve motion sickness. Another benefit of using cloves is if you suffer from sore throat. Cloves will be handy. One of the unpleasant and painful illnesses that sadly affects people year-round, including in the hot summer, is a sore throat. Use cloves to relieve yourself if your tonsils and studs are irritated. Crush cloves, ground, and combined with honey and occasionally a little water. Regularly rub the purulent areas of the neck with a cotton swab that has been soaked in the mixture. You will feel immediate comfort. Clove oil has additional health benefits of cloves. Clove oil is an essential oil that is made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, Syzygium aromaticum. It is typically extracted from the buds using steam distillation. Clove oil has a strong, spicy aroma and is used in a variety of ways in aromatherapy. One of the most common uses of clove oil in aromatherapy is for its pain-relieving properties. The oil contains eugenol, a compound that has been shown to have anesthetic and anti-inflammatory effects. When applied topically, clove oil can help to numb the area and reduce pain, making it a popular choice for treating toothache, sore muscles, and other types of pain. Clove oil is also used in aromatherapy as an immune system booster. The compounds in the oil can help to stimulate the immune system, making it a good oil to use during cold and flu season. It's also used as a natural remedy for respiratory problems. The strong aroma of clove oil can help to clear congestion and improve breathing, making it a popular choice for treating conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Clove oil is also used in aromatherapy to improve focus and concentration. The spicy, invigorating scent of the oil is said to help stimulate the mind and improve mental clarity. It's important to note that clove oil is very strong and should be used with care. It should be diluted before use and should not be used on broken or irritated skin. It should also be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Clove oil is available in numerous places online. Cloves have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties and culinary uses. But with more research being done on the spice, we are discovering that cloves have even more potential health benefits than we ever thought possible. From toothache to osteoarthritis, cloves have been shown to have a positive impact on a wide range of health conditions. So next time you are using cloves in your cooking, remember that it might be doing more than just adding flavor to your dish. As always, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider before adding cloves to your diet. But the research suggests that consuming cloves may provide a number of potential health benefits. If you would like to learn more about the health benefits of cloves, or if you have any other home remedy experiences to share, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.